At one of our most recent flips. It's actually right across from the U of A. A lot of exterior stucco repairs and paint. But we did keep a lot of it mostly original. With some hardware updates. Just do a quick walkthrough. These old houses are pretty cool. The way they're built. And this house actually has a hidden room. I'll show you guys. It's pretty cool. Love the tile color scheme. This one also has a colorful tile color scheme. And this is actually the master suite. Go out this way. There's actually this nice patio. Got your laundry connections here. And then go back down this hallway. And it leads into this little living space. Oh, you know what? I am mistaken. I am thinking of the wrong house. That had a hidden room. House had a very similar layout to this, but it was many years ago. Put some nice new tile in this area. Kitchen's been updated. Let's see, where's the light switch? This is the front room here, would be considered a dining area, formal dining room. And then I'll show you out the side here. Leading up to the really nice aspect of this property. We've got this nice courtyard space. Out this way. That's actually a 2-car garage and workshop space. And you've got this really nice pool over this way. And then over here, we've got a basketball court. And that wraps it up. Hope you enjoyed the tour.